NotebookLM turns your notes into stunning slide decks fast, but the moment you want to edit them, you're stuck. AI can help you transform it to editable PDF in under 2 minutes. NotebookLM feels like magic, but editing the slides makes it into a nightmare. You generate a perfect presentation in seconds and then realize it's completely useless. We here at Operators Lab HQ are here to help you solve this problem. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for getting such updates. Let's open NotebookLM and click on Create New. As soon as we do that, a lot of options become available. Now, for our illustration, let's search for Indian Toy Manufacturers Competitive Landscape as Fast Research. As soon as we enter that, it starts searching for a lot of websites and different sources which are there in the public platforms. So once it finishes search, you simply click on Import. It gives you a short summary as to what it has done. On right-hand side, you can see there is an option for Slide Deck. We ask it to create a slide deck in which it summarizes and mentions all the information it has searched from the sources. In that slide deck, it gives us such a beautiful visual story as to what is happening. How are the demographics, what are the legacy plans, and all other such details. We simply hit on the download button. Now when you open the file which we just downloaded, it is a PDF file. So the simplest way to convert it to an editable PDF is go to Canva and open a new presentation. Inside this new presentation, you go to a button on the left which reads Uploads. Click on the Upload, which helps you upload your downloaded PDF file. Now allow Canva to run its magic. We have gotten the entire presentation on the Canva board. Just select it, select the image, and then click on Edit. As soon as we go to Edit, it opens up the Magic Studio. Go to Grab Text there, check All Text, and hit Drag. It has made the entire presentation editable. You can simply go wherever and do whatever changes. Once you have done it for all your slides, you simply click on Share. Then you go to Download, choose the PPTS format you want, and that's it. Now, maybe you want to make some changes on this slide. Simply go into the text box where you want to make the change, edit as required, and you are done. You can edit any element of the PPT that you wish.